Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. This is a Porsche Boxster 986 that came in with the misfire from the engine, so we removed the actual ignition coil and the spark plugs. Yeah, and then you can see there's a lot of oil inside there from the spark plug tubes, which is leaking from the actual cam covers and all that. But this one here is pretty damaged. Look at that. So you're better off replacing the spark plug tubes while we're here, and spark plug and the actual coil number 2, 2 and 3 and 5 were actually locked on the actual scan tool. But look at that, pretty much damaged here. We'll contact the customer and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.